I've always enjoyed the tree cover that we have. It's been a natural, I guess, air conditioner for us. But most of these trees are now severely damaged. Many of them will have to be removed. Some of them are already targeted to be removed just because of their threat to the roadways and to the PG&E infrastructure.
One of the common misconceptions people have is that to be fire safe, forest areas have to have no material, burnable material on the ground. And it's an absolute misconception. The duff layers, the layers of pine needles and oak leaves, that thick, rich humus layer on the surface, that is not a major fire fuel. It's broken down enough, it's moist enough, that even if it can take, it's a flame this high. If you have brush material that's multiple feet in the air, yes, it burns very well, and it'll burn 3-4 times the height of the fuel. But if your material is in ground contact, it's starting, you can already see it's being taken over by mycelium, by fungus, by mushrooms. That material is not very flammable. So in an area like this, when we would be doing fuels thinning, like we don't want to remove the material and the nutrient from the property, so you could chip it all down and make very fine chip material. The other way is using it as more solid material, as log material. Lop and scatter fuel reduction methods don't increase your fuel risk by leaving the material on the ground, and they provide other ecosystem services like water retention and on-site soil and carbon sequestration. In some cases, clearing the area is desirable, and we want to pull trees away from the house for fire risk. But at the same time, are we going to clear cut the entire Mark West? Is that the environment we want to live in?